In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-phase authentication on Facebook. So first, what you want to do is open up your Facebook app, go to the bottom right on the menu, then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. From there, you want to click on See More in Account Censure, and then click on Password and Security. Once you are here, you want to click on Two-Phase Authenticator, then choose an account to set up Two-Factor Authenticator, and basically you need to re-enter your password, and from there you just follow your own screen instructions. You will definitely need to install Google Authenticator and connect it with a Facebook account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.